We're back with the $150 Honda. Yesterday we got the engine to do this. Now today, we're gonna get it actually running. First, we gotta reinstall the engine. It's pretty much this simple. One. We're also gonna put some acid in the gas tank to clean out all the rust. And we'll let that soak. Then we got our carburetor. We're ready to gas this thing up. Should be good for now. Here we go. Joker. Either we have an air leak or the throttle's stuck. But she's alive. Let's try that again. Got the exhaust on there. Also adjusted the idle. That sounded a lot better. Give this a shot here. We got a kickstart lever on there. Oh yeah. That is about the most uncomfortable thing to sit on. We need to find a seat and we're ready for a test drive. I'm really starting to fall in love with this old girl. We got a nice secure seat here. Let's test this thing out. Successfully fixed this crunchy hondaZ50. That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Go check out our merch. Love you guys. Bye.